Anabel Perez. I'm doing an Associate's in Arts in Computer Information Systems, but I'm going to finish my bachelor's degree in Business Analytics and Information Systems at MDC. Right now, I work with the EPIC. I work in the EPIC Challenge with the Miami Dade Department of Transportation and Public Works. Okay, so for the project, we work basically with information that we got from them about the new BRT. So they were implementing 2 weeks ago the new BRT, that is a bus rapid transit system. That it was very new. So they were implementing the TVMs and different new system for payment. So they got information, they had a lot of data, but the data was kind of messy and they didn't have the dashboards and to try to find trends and insights that could lead some problems. We could check that. So we were basically taking all that information and putting in graph and in a kind of a dashboard for us to be able to give them recommendations. So my role was basically, we work as a team. It was a very teamwork. So we were all together doing the cleaning and putting everything in a dashboard. So it was basically like a teamwork, but we were like a business analyst. Yes, so I think I developed more like my analytical skills. Mostly we work with Python and Tableau, so I think I learned a lot about that. And the idea of teamwork was something that it was very different right now, like in a project that it was when you are in a classroom. So I think that are the things I develop a lot in this project. Well, don't think a lot about it. I think it's a great opportunity. You will learn a lot. You will learn a lot, and you actually will have mentorships. You will have access to office hours, so you're gonna be in touch all the time with the Miami Tagwares. Also, you're gonna have some kind of support from the company, and you will learn also from other students. Yeah, so definitely my teammates, we were so hard, so I want to say thanks to them. Also the company, Miami Dade Department of Transportation, they were very supportive with us. Even we were kind of behind because they were at the same time launching a new product. So it was very crazy, but I mean they were very supportive. And also Miami Tagwares, I want to thanks also Miami Dade College and the U.S. Commerce of Chamber for giving us this opportunity.